Good morning, dear student, to all of you. Today I discuss with you civics topic. First, understanding diversity. So firstly I discuss with you diversity. What is diversity? Diversity is as the conditions of having many different elements. For example, of diversity is a classroom full of children of different background, etc. Okay. Nextly, about topic. Three children around your age have drawn the figure above. Use the empty box. You show here empty box to draw your human figures is your drawing. Similarly to any of others. Okay. The chance are that you drawing is quite different from others three, which you can see are quite different from each others. This is because each of one of us has a unique drawing style. Okay, ये डिफरेंट, हर बंदे का डिफरेंट स्टाइल होगा जिसको यूनिक बोलते हैं. तो दूसरे की ड्राइंग से आप तीनों की ड्राइंग डिफरेंट होगी या तीनों की ड्राइंग सेम बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकती. ओके, we not only don't look exactly like each others but also different in terms of the languages we speak, our culture's background, the religions, rituals we observe, and of course the way to draw. डिफरेंट स्पीकिंग का स्टाइल होगा, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज होगा, डिफरेंट रिलीजन होगा, डिफरेंट तरीके के रिचुअल्स वगैरह होंगे. अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्टली, नो आस्क यूर टीचर्स यू हेल्प यू चेक how many of you have similarly answered. Is there anyone who least matches you exactly? Probably not. But many of you may have similarly answers. How many liked reading the same kids or books? How many different languages are spoken by the student in your class? You do understand ना? वो तो आपको एक प्रैक्टिकल होता है क्लास में. By now you must have recognized the many ways in which you are quite like some of your class and other ways in which you are different from them. Nextly, making friend. Do you think it would be easy for you to make friend with someone who was very different from you? Read the following story and think about you. यही स्टोरी है, इसके रिलेटेड दिया है. Now read story. I had meant it as a joke made up for a small ragged boy who sold newspaper as a Janpat crossing at the busy instruction. Every time I cycling past, he would run after me holding out the English paper. एक बॉय की बात कर रहे हैं जिसने रैगिंग वगैरह होती, जो तीर फाड़ा वगैरह होता है, बोर फैमिली से बिलोंग कर रहा है. तो वो क्या कर रहा था? सेल कर रहा था, न्यूज़पेपर बेच रहा था. ओके, तो उसके पीछे वो आवाज़ लगाता एंड द स्क्रीमिंग्स आउट ऑफ द इवनिंग से हेडलाइन इज़ द मिक्सचर्स ऑफ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश वर्ड. तो मिक्सचर था, हेडलाइन जो था हिंदी और इंग्लिश में वर्ड्स में था. दिस टाइम इज स्टॉप्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट एंड आस्क्ड फॉर द हिंदी पेपर्स. हिज मंथ फेल ओपन. ओके, यू मीन यू नो हिंदी? ही आस्क्ड. ऑफ कोर्स, आई सेड. आई पेड फॉर द पेपर. व्हाई? व्हाट डिड यू थिंक? कहता कि क्यों, आपने क्या सोचा? ही पास, थोड़ा रुक गया वो. बट यू लुक सो अंग्रेजी. ही सेड. यू मीन्स यू कैन इवन रीड हिंदी? ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन. आई सेड दिस टाइम अ लिटिल इम्पेटली. आई कैन स्पीक, रीड एंड द राइट हिंदी इज़ वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट आई स्टडी इन स्कूल. उसने कहा हिंदी एक सब्जेक्ट था, वो हम स्कूल में स्टडी किया करते थे. सब्जेक्ट. He asked how could explain what a subject was a someone who had even been to school. Well, is something I began, but the lightly chain and the hanging behind me grew 100-fold, and I let must be pushed along with the rest of the trophy. Okay, student. Next video discussed. All of you. Today we will start our remaining topic. What does diversity add to our lives? Just like Sameer 1 and Sameer 2, because friend. You might have friends who are very different from you. You have probably eaten different kind of food in their home, celebrating different festival with them. Try out the clothes they wear and learn some of their language as well as. ओके दो फ्रेंड थे, डिफरेंट टाइप का उनका रहन सहन खाना पीना, डिफरेंट रिलीजन से बिलोंग करते थे. यू प्रोबली लाइक रीडिंग एंड हेयरिंग स्टोरीज एंड एडवेंचर्स अबाउट डिफरेंट एनिमल्स, पीपल एंड इवन गोस्ट भूत वगैरह को बोलते हैं. परहैप्स यू इवन enjoy making up stories yourself. May young pupils feel happy when they read a good story because it given them lot of ideas to make up more stories. People who write stories get their ideas from a sport of different place, from books and real life and from their imaginations. तो वो क्या करते थे, डिफरेंट बुक्स से इमेजिनेशन किया करते थे, डिफरेंट टॉपिक के रिलेटेड एडवेंचर्स वगैरह होते थे कुछ. सब में हैव लिव्ड इन फॉरेस्ट क्लोज टू एनिमल्स एंड चूजन टू राइट ऑफ देयर फाइट एंड द फ्रेंडशिप. Other read real count of king and the queen and wrote story about the love and on. Some dip into their own childhood memories of schools and friends and wrote story of adventures. Nextly, diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different language, have various type of food, celebrating different festival, practice different religion, but actually if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, expect that we do them in the different ways. You understand? How do we explain diversity? कैसे करते हैं इसको एक्सप्लेनेशन में? A little more than 200 years ago or long before then train. 200 year पहले की बात है. Aeroplane, bus or car became a part of our life. People travel from one part of the world to another part, in ship, on horses, camel, on foot, etc. Sometime as they began to make their homes in new place, people began to change a little, and at other time they managed to do things in old ways. So their language, food, music, religion became a mix of the old and the new. And out of the intermixings of cultures came something in new and different. Similarly, diversity also come about when pupils adapt their lives to the geographical areas in which they, for example, living near the sea is quite different from living in the mountain area. Unity in diversity. Nextly, India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. When the British ruled India, women and men of different culture, religions and the regional background came together to oppose them. India's freedom movement had thousands of peoples of different background in it. They worked together to decide joint actions. They want to jail together. And they found different ways to oppose the British, interciting the British song and the symbols that they emerged during the freedom of struggles serve as the constant reminder of the country's rich tradition of the respect of the diversities. Do you know the story of the India flag? It was used a symbol of the protest against the British by the pupils elsewhere. In his books The Discovery of India, तो उस बुक का क्या नाम था? डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया. Jawaharlal Nehru says that India unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of the belief in the custom was parasite and every varieties acknowledged and even encouraged. It was Nehru who coined the perhaps unity and diversity to describe the country. Okay, our topic is complete.